Hi, I'm Nick Williams, and I am a field training and product specialist here at Multilink. Multilink is an industry-leading designer, developer, and manufacturer of products serving the telecommunication and ITS industries. Since 1983, we have been supplying our customers with innovative products that improve the way people communicate. We started off very modestly, but have continually expanded to meet our customers' ever-growing demands. Having grown to over 250 employees with a 300,000 square foot facility, we have become a valued partner to many broadband operators around the globe. Our campus offers on-site production from design to final solution. Our process includes research, design, engineering, fabrication, powder coating, assembly, and the use of vendor-managed inventory logistics. From our line of power supply modules and various fiber optic enclosures to our fiber distribution hub cabinets and architectural raceway molding, we offer a large variety of products for your existing and future network infrastructures. And it's with more that we meet the needs of our customers. More selection, more customization, more engineering solutions, more expert advice. As our tagline says, simply more.